G'day, it's Mark, and it's another speed car wrecking picking exercise in Kingman, Arizona. Going to the pick apart to see if I can get some bits for my cars. Let's check it out. Well, I'm here. There's 80s cars, I can already see them, so that's a good sign. Cars last longer out here in the desert in Arizona, so we'll check it out. Firebird, it's in good nick actually. I'm the first customer here, first person to sign in for the day. Shows how keen I am. But I'm on a bit of a time crunch. Oh, I've just found the car I need. This is exactly what I'm after. How good is this? The Buick Skylark. Yes, it has the part I want. Oh man, what a score. It's a newer model, but it's the same car. Oh man, this is great. Okay, let me get the part. Okay, I've got it out, wrapped. This is the part that goes in front of the windscreen. It's very different to that satin piece I had the other day. It's a 4-door, so this is exactly going to be the correct part for my car, wrapped. Really cool. All right, there's a nice Buick there. More Buicks from the 80s. I remember renting an Electra, Park Avenue, brand new, 86 model, and driving all across America to Chicago from LA in it. It's my first real road trip I did in the US. Fun times. Long time ago now. All right, let's check out what else there is here. El Camino. Like a 74 or 5, something like that. Oh, wow. Cadillac Alante. That's pretty cool. Wow. Monte Carlo. Eldorado. Got some great cars here. Chevy. Seville. But my next thing is to look for Lincoln and Ford. So let's check out where they are. It's got some good stuff here. A wagon, it's a bit of a demo derby car, it looks like. It's like a Suburban. There's no one here but me. Little Fiero. Little Pontiac. Camaro. They've got a good selection here. Kingman pick apart. Tell you what, if you're travelling through or live around here, you need parts, or if you're from overseas, Kingman pick apart is a good spot. Recommended. This is cool. Well, is it a Dodge Ram? An old one? Yeah, it's an old Ram. I can see Lincoln's here, so let's check out what they got in the old Lincoln. They'll check for rattlesnakes too. Don't particularly want to be seeing those. I guess in the morning they probably want to warm up and get some sun, so hopefully I'll hear a rattle to warn me before I step on the bloody things. Got one of these, same colour and everything. Poor thing. Don't think I need any parts for that Mark 8. The later one has a nicer dashboard or interior, but this model is a better looking car. Yeah. Okay. Another Mark 8. Wow. They must have sold well here. Here's actually the later generation model I was talking about. It's got the neon full width tail light. It's broken. Shame, because that'd be probably worth something. And they had more wood grain and sort of a nicer interior. They sort of same basic shape, but they upgraded it. I'd like to get one of those, that model, down the track if I can. Here's a Ranchero. Cool. I've got I'm trying to guess what year mine is. I think mine's about a 75 or 6. I've got a very nice 50,000 mile Ranchero. In fact, there's a short video on my channel, check it out. But I've got the Squire. It's got the wood grain, a vinyl roof. It's even got automatic climate control in a utility, which is amazing. But I'm just going to go around the back here. This side. Ooh, a Mark V. Doesn't have the plastic pieces I need. Look at that great grille. How cool is that? If I had more time, I'd get the grille just to put on the wall. Yes, it does. I want to get those plastic things. Okay. I'll show you the front of the oh, this is a later model Ranchero. This is like a 77 onwards, which has the vertical headlights. I didn't particularly like the look of that. I thought the earlier ones were much better looking. My mate Brian's got a 72 model, which is a lovely looking car. Don't you love that when the tools come out of the toolbox? Okay, I bought this cheap tool kit. It's actually really good. It's got a lot of parts in it. It had that typical thing where the sockets fall out when you open the bloody lid. Right, this Lincoln, what I need, very simple, I think. I need to get these mesh. I was going to say very simple, but maybe it's not. But I want to get these pieces out here. Again, I can't really do it one-handed. I'll have to take it out and come back to you. That's a 400, not a 460. Anyway, let me get these bits out for a sec. Okay, I got one out. This sits in the engine bay, just near the wipers where they're mounted. I'm missing some, so they're brittle though because they've been out, obviously in Arizona, the plastics go very dry. I'll try and get the other one out. Okay, I got the other bit. A little bit broke off, so reminder to oneself, put it in the toolbox. Should I? I don't know. Anyway, we'll keep looking, and then pretty well I've got what I wanted though. This is the main stuff I wanted. Before I finish, it's LTD Crown Victoria, Lincoln Town Car. There's some good stuff here. I think these sort of big American cars are quite popular. Mercury Marquis. Oh, Mercury Cougar, that's cool. I like those. It's about an 88 model. That's that Mark 8 later series. I mentioned, see, it's got that fan grille. I didn't really like that as much. I love this model Crown Vic with the grille here. I think that's the best looking one. That's that front of that Ranchero that I mentioned before. They've got a few here. Would have been a popular car out here. You can't see the front end of this Mark 7, but that's the better looking one. More Lincoln Town cars. Nice BBS style wheels on that. I like that. LTD2. Yeah, I didn't really like the front end of these. There's a LTD Crown Vic there. Anyway, we'll just do a bit more speed. But I've pretty well got what I wanted. The only thing I want is the 57 Ford truck, but I doubt very much they got that. But who knows? You never know. Actually, scrub that idea of putting that in here because it's going to fall out. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to put it in my wallet. Reminder to oneself. That Lincoln's got some good parts on it. Some tail lights, for example. Another town car. More Lincolns down there. Another one of the nice Crown Vics I like with that front. More Crown Vics, or it's a Marquis actually. Taurus, not really interested in that. Okay, I think I need to go and find the Ford truck section. If I see Chryslers, I'm trying to see if there are any Chryslers. Oh yeah, down here. Let's go look at the Chryslers and I'll do the Ford trucks. Then I'll probably have to make a move because family's back at the hotel and you know how it is. Let's do some generic filming while I'm walking to the Chryslers. They exported these Diamante things from Australia in the wagon form, I think, to America. There's a PT Cruiser convertible. Don't think there's much demand for those. Here's an interesting little gem. M-body Chrysler. Let's have a look. Fifth Avenue edition. It's kind of cool. LeBaron convertible. Yeah. The old 5.2 V8. Interior is pretty ratty. Dodge Stratus. So I'm just thinking if there's any really old Chryslers in here out of interest. Trying to carry, hang on. Is it a Stratus or something? Is a extended K car of, I guess, you know, Dodge Dynasty or Dynasty, depending on what school you went to. It's like a New Yorker or something, is it? A very Baroque sort of styling. Another one here. Fifth Avenue Chrysler. Interesting colour. They're more Mitsubishi. There's no real old Chryslers in here for the Chrysler fans. I'm sorry to say. No, it's all got 80s cars. And that Ram I showed you earlier. Been very successful. I got the Mark V parts I wanted. And I got that Buick part. That's what I wanted most of all. Trucks. Let me find the trucks. It's a Taurus I passed before. It's more Fords here, Mustangs and things like that. But I think the trucks are kept separately. I like the orange on that Mustang. That looks cool. Not the original colour. Oh, wow. Actually, I need some parts for my Mustang. Wow, that's cool. I love the colour. I love these. Fox body, early Fox body. Although this is a 84. But the parts might be the same. Hang on for a sec. These panels for my Mustang and that one over there, these are generic grills, so I don't really need those. So there's one, that's good. These will be very cheap too. Let's be careful of these plastics because, especially out here, you know, look, even that, it's just breaking away. I have to treat that somehow. I don't know if that's dirt or that's the plastic crumbling away. It could be a bit of both. Hang on, two-hand job. Plastic is degraded a little bit, but it'll be fine. It's good enough. Well, that's good. That was an unexpected little bonus. So that was the most fruitful wrecking yard visit so far. Pretty well got everything I wanted. The only thing I didn't get some 57 Ford parts, but yeah, that's unlikely because of how old the vehicle is. But yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching, and Kingman Pick Apart, if you're in the area, good spot for some bits and pieces.